Hi friends, and welcome to the first day of introductions for Mama Elephant's June 2025 release. Today we are introducing Bakery Bears and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing Art Shop Creative Cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamped images first. This set contains 2 bear images, one image of a counter, and countless images to decorate your bakery scene. For today's video, I'm showing you how I color a couple of the smaller images. I tried to show which Copics I use, but you can also find them in the description below. I finish my images with some white gel pen accents. And that finishes my coloring for today. Let's take a look at the Arch Shop Creative Cuts. There is a large die that cuts the arch, a bow, the topper for the bow, some lights, as well as the light bulbs, and we have the pillars for the arch. I went ahead and stamped one of the sentiments included in the set on the bottom of the arch. This set coordinates perfectly with the third arch included in the B2B Arches Creative Cuts. I used one of the arches to create a shaped card base as well as to cut a panel for the inside. I used the Arch Shop die to cut out the front of my card panel. I did this by running it through my die cutting machine only halfway. Now we can start to decorate our card. I wanted the counter piece with one of the bears to be perfectly centered inside the inside of my card. The bigger bear will be featured on the front. This was such a fun process to add all the different images of all the yummy snacks inside of the counter. And of course I had to add my son's favorite, which is the pretzel. And that's the inside of the card finished. Let's move on to the front of the card. I lined the Arch Shop piece with some vellum and I'm adhering it to the front of my card using liquid glue. I colored this string of lights using my Copic markers and I'm adhering it to the front. And I add our other sweet little bear. Now it's time to finish our card, adding the bow. And that finishes our card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I'll see you tomorrow for the second day of introductions for this release. This release is available from the 15th of June. Bye!